Today's the day. We're gonna climb that hill. It's gonna happen for sure. Google Maps wants me to run right here, but close gate. Can't do that. We're doing okay though, I think. Damn it. Okay, so today we're doing a different route. Should be quicker to the top. Should make it easier. Basically, we're gonna run through the police academy. That makes it a lot shorter. Here's the view. Unfortunately, a cloudy day today. But I thought that might make it easier. Although it is more humid. Feels okay though. That was my plan, but geez, I don't think I can do it. Right back. Can't go that way. My mistake. Pretty steep. Steep. This is tough. Okay. We're at the top now, roughly. Okay, there's a road. That helps a little bit. Way over there is the Buddhist temple. You got some of the rose hills right there, and there's the observatory right there. So not that far. Yeah, we're gonna do this one today. The one we're actually trying to get to is that one right there. We're gonna do that next time because I made a few mistakes. So that's a bit further than I thought. I thought it would take a while, but geez, it's quite a bit. Here we go. That's it. Okay. This looks like it. minutes, that's with the delay. Which is not so bad, actually. I think it could have been worse. Alright, so that's it for today. It's a little cloudy. Next time I want to go on a nice day, I'm going to go all the way to the top. Now that we know where we're going, that's very helpful. I got lost, as usual. So, on our way down now. Okay, it's downhill, so we're gonna run a little bit, try to make up some of the lost time. We've been really taking it easy. So, I'm a little faster now. It's nice. And it's about 64 degrees out, a little chilly. We gotta stay active to stay warm, you know? Here again. Still alive, but it doesn't look easy. Steps. Oh my god. I'm gonna get hurt. It's gonna be right here. I think we'll skip this next time. Go the long way. Still alive. Okay. Almost down now, almost down. Rear Honda right there. Okay, we're down. Well done. Okay. Got ourselves a new problem now. Actually, we're okay. That sucked. Anyways, it was a successful trip, minus the train, so thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll be right back. I'm not crying, I just got sunscreen in my eye. Sure, right?